Windows command line, create a file with the current date in its name. I'm trying to create a zip file from a batch script. I need it to be named like archive_.zip. Unfortunately, this doesn't work on systems with the date formatted like YEMED because of the slashes. The %date% variable expands to something like. I have access to the new Win32 package, so I could use, say, sed to replace spaces and slashes by dashes. The problem is, how would I use the output of sed to create the file name of the zip archive? In Unix, Bash, one can use backquotes to evaluate in place a command and use its output in another command, something like. Is there anything similar available in Windows? Or maybe there's a way to set a variable to the returned value of sed and use that to construct the file name?
This rather horrid bit of code should do something like what you want. If you change the file name appropriately.
You can replace symbols in variables by using.
Since your question is tagged as Windows, I found this solution that works in the good old .bat files. Windows batch file, .bat, to get current date in MMDDYYYY format. And can probably be adapted to your case. This does nothing but set up the %date variable to be today's date in MMDDYYYY format, so it can be called later in the script. Edit. Found a better syntax. Given that my date is today, Monday the 28th of September, 2009. Set day equals %date, (0, 2%. Set month equals %date, (7, 2%. Set year equals %date, (10, 4%.
I have posted an answer to a very similar question here. The splitting of the date in fields is done in one line, instead of several lines in Haring's answer. The interesting part is, and the warning is still relevant.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.